afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome once again to the 2010 Moody Community Appreciation Day Airshow. In just a few moments, you'll be watching the A-10 East demonstration A-10 Thunderbolt 2. Watch now as Major Green pulls the aircraft straight into the vertical, demonstrating the Warthog's power and maneuverability in all attitudes of flight. Major Green is now positioning the A-10 for a pass down the runway. Second. And now, from your left, Major Green displaying the A-10's rolling maneuverability. Major Green is repositioning the A-10 for a slow roll along the show line to demonstrate the A-10's precise handling characteristics. As Major Green rolls the A-10, you will notice a fake canopy painted on the belly of the aircraft directly underneath the cockpit. This false canopy is designed to deceive enemy ground troops as to the A-10's direction of turn. And now, from your right, Major Green and the slow cockpit of the aircraft and see if Major Green has any words for us here today.
I'd like to start out by saying a happy birthday to our Space Commander, Colonel Gary Anderson. I'd also like to say a special thank you for 2 years of just an immense and incredible opportunity. Our maintenance crew, all the support at Moody Air Force Base, and the support of you, the community, has allowed me to enjoy what's been the best 2 years of my Air Force career. We really appreciate it. We appreciate you coming out and supporting Moody Air Force Base. We like to be a part of this community. Enjoy the show.
During World War II, the original Flying Tigers, led by General Claire Chennault, painted teeth on the noses of their P-40 Warhawks to strike fear into the hearts of the enemy. Today, the 23rd Fighter Group, comprised of 3 A-10 squadrons, keeps this proud tradition alive. Shell delivers 7 times the destructive energy of the more conventional 20mm round. Now take Major Green less than 30 seconds to get back into firing position for a second strafe attack. With 2 A-10s working together, enemy forces could expect to be under A-10 fire once every 10 to 15 seconds. To the Hawk's arsenal of weapons. Major Green is now performing a jink-out maneuver that's designed to make life very difficult for enemy anti-aircraft gunners. Because it frequently changes direction, airspeed, and altitude, the A-10 becomes a difficult target to shoot. The Warthog has a well-earned reputation for strength and striking power, a reputation earned in Kosovo, Afghanistan, and Iraq, where A-10s destroyed thousands of enemy armored vehicles, artillery sites, Scud missiles, and even registered 2 air-to-air kills. Today, that legacy continues to grow.
Yeah, I know. There's a ring or
A-10's
something
armed
in
with
it.
state-of-the-art targeting pods and precision-guided bombs continue to fly missions in support of American and coalition efforts all over the world. Now, from your right, Major Green and a 4-point roll, displaying the crisp handling characteristics of the A-10. The A-10's maintainability is proven every time it flies in every imaginable climate. During deployments including Desert Shield, Desert Storm, Allied Force, Enduring Freedom, and Iraqi Freedom, the A-10 has consistently demonstrated its ability to fly more than 4 sorties per day, a tribute to the skill and dedication of our magnificent maintenance crew. Major Green will stop the aircraft today within 1,500 feet from touchdown using the A-10's very effective speed brakes. Because of its high-mounted engines and rugged landing gear, the A-10 can also operate from small battle-damaged runways never before available to jet aircraft, a combat capability your United States Air Force is using today. We trust today's demonstration has given you some insight into the capabilities of the A-10 Thunderbolt II. This airplane was designed to be and is the close air support weapon of choice. Responsiveness, simplicity, survivability, and lethality enable it to do its job effectively, giving our forces on the ground the air power they need where